Seeing this amazing plugin, guys, specifically for forex trading. If you are into forex trading, I think you will indeed love this plugin. It is called Traders Insight, and I'm using it right now in specific ways to help me with my trading. It is definitely helping me out, guys. I am finding some interesting opportunities here. I mean, we can literally talk to ChatGPT and basically ask it what to invest in, what to short, what to sell, what to invest in, and it will give us some accurate data. It will do technical analysis for us, guys. It's very simple. How does it work? You give it what you want to do technical analysis on, and it will do the technical analysis on that specific currency, stock, and whatnot. So I think this is quite interesting. I think there's a lot to this. As I'm looking through here, you will be able to see that I asked it, give me some technical analysis on the USD, and it gave one very simply interesting. I mean, it hasn't talked about USD all over here, but it's also talking about the other currencies. It gave me a very interesting pointer. The CNH-JPY pair is suggested as a massive short opportunity. China's best hope to survive its oncoming demographic collapse is to transition through total Japanification. As Japan is snapping out of its 30-year slumber just as China hopes to achieve Japanification, this pair will mirror that process. So it's basically telling me an opportunity to short this pair right here, and I'm thinking that this is basically an opportunity to basically short this this kind of currency, so currency pair. So I think that's very interesting. So it's suggesting that I do a forex option or a short sell. I think we go for it. So honestly, guys, I would definitely suggest that you guys start using this tool if you're a forex trader. I'm not here to give any financial advice. I'm not a financial expert, but I would really suggest that if you are a forex trading individual or someone that works in the stock market, definitely take a look at this tool. I think it's very awesome if you want to start making some money. I mean, we have a great opportunity here, guys, to make a decent amount of income from this amazing tool. We are at amazing times right now, so I would really suggest that everyone who's starting off really take a look at this amazing AI tool.